What's going on, guys? Today I'm removing the Ryan Little steering wheel from the M3 and replacing the factory steering wheel. We'll probably be taking this wheel and throwing it in the E36 today. Hopefully it works out. Not sure if the hub adapter is exactly the same or not. Yeah, I've got the factory steering wheel back on. All I had to do was remove the quick release little plate and undo this guy, center bolt, which is that bolt. Now I've snugged this guy up, and it's just a matter of figuring out where these guys plug in. So they'll plug into this module here, go through a couple different things, and plug back in. And that should be it. And then I'll just stick the airbag back in. It clicks right in. And then we'll start working on the E36. So I got the airbag back in. All of the buttons work as they should. And we now have a stock steering wheel in the M3. Time to go to the E36 and see how to pull that thing apart. Steering wheel off. I have no idea why they would do this thing with this connection, this like a tape measure in here. Airbag. This is the hub from the M3. Lined it up on the splines. Gonna put a block of wood on here and then give her some love from the mallet to get this seated. Once I can get the bolt threaded, the bolt will suck the mount all the way on the rest of the way. Easy enough. Couple nice whacks. Gonna replace this bolt now. So once you get to this phase, it's literally the same as the disassembly. So I'm just gonna take the mounting plate for the quick release, bolt it up to here, and then we'll be good to go. Hub adapter on. Boom. So much more room for my knees. I'm not hitting the steering wheel anymore. And I get to keep my cool signed wheel, so that's a plus. If you guys are interested in learning how to install one of these steering wheels with a quick release, go check out my other video from a couple months ago. I'll put the little thing up here. You guys can go check that out. Also added a Unibroue custom beer tap shifter, which is absolutely ridiculous. I don't know how well the performance is going to be, but oh my god. This thing is like a 1.5 feet tall, probably. Jeez, but it's coming together now. That's going to be it for today, guys. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video. This shifter is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, it actually drives pretty nice. The only problem is reverse hits the steering wheel, but the wheel comes out now, so there's no issue there. We're just gonna send it, guys. Thanks for coming by. I'll see you guys in the next video.